Alright, so hello everyone. Thanks for tuning in to this unboxing with Naturally Lash. As always, if you guys enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. And yeah, we're just going to go ahead and get into it. We are doing our Boxycharm unboxing for January. It's my first Boxycharm of the year, so we're super excited to see what we have inside. I opened it up, but then I was like, you know what, I'm not going to peek. So let's go ahead and see what we have in here. For you guys who don't know, this is a subscription service. I'll have all the information about it down below. It's about $21 a month, and you're going to get some super cool full-size items in there. So the first thing I pull out is our card, and the theme for this month is Boxy and Chill. Now, I did see some of the spoilers on Instagram, so yeah, but I don't exactly know which ones I have, but I kind of do now because I can see in the box. So we're just going to go ahead and follow along with the card because it has all the information about these products and their price points. So let's go ahead and see what the first thing we're going to pull out of here. And I was kind of hoping for something else because I typically don't use these kind of products, but we have from Briogeo their Roscaro milk, reparative leave-in conditioning spray. This retails for $12. And I don't know if that's $12 for this size or $12 for the full size. This looks like a deluxe size sample. Now, you do get some deluxe size samples in there sometimes. So, I mean, it's not a big deal. The box is only $21. So, you know, it's not a big deal. So, again, this is their restorative leave-in conditioning spray. And I will probably be putting that in a giveaway soon. Alright, moving on to the next thing we have in here. And maybe I'm just late to the game, but did OFRA change their packaging? Let's see. Do I have another OFRA over here I can get to? Like, I have these two right here, and I'm really partial to these, but this is the one that came in here. This is their long-lasting liquid lipstick in the color Miami Fever, and it retails for $20. So yes, I'm familiar with their liquid lipsticks. I've always been pleased with them. Now this color is definitely a little bit different for me, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch it a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it's not bad. Let's go ahead and try it on. Oh. Okay, so I tried it on. As you guys can see, this is definitely different for me. I've never worn a color quite like this, but I think this is going to be more of a summer type of color. It has like this orangey tone, a little bit like some brown undertones to it. I like it though. I don't know, I have to play around with it a little bit more. It's definitely outside of my comfort zone, and yeah, gives me something to play around with. Again, that was the OFRA long-lasting liquid lipstick in the color Miami Chill. I'm so lost. Alright, so moving on to the next thing we have in here, which I was actually a little bit happy about because just a second. Alright. Boom. Alright, so in this one I received the Tarte limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette 3. This retails for $36, and yes, I'm trying to read off of a card over here. So, and this is the one that I just received. I don't know if you guys can see it, all these lights I got going on, but it's very pretty, very pretty. Let's get it closer for you guys. So it's very pretty. This is the other one I have. I have the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 right here. This is the Volume 2 palette. That's what it looks like. And I like it. I did find using the Volume 2 that the colors I had to work a little bit harder to get them off. So I'm hoping in this one I can pull off a nice eye look without feeling like I'm having to work too hard. The colors are very pretty. Let's see if we can swatch a couple of these. Let's do Treasure. Like, all of these are like these shimmery colors. There's only one matte, and I'm not even sure if that's a matte. Alright, so we're going to do Treasure. You guys can see. Look at that. Very cute. Very cute. Let's do Malibu. See, these are swatching much better than the other one. And I don't know how well you guys can see it. But that's Malibu. They all probably just look a little bit shimmery to you guys. But I'm looking at them. Okay, so that's Treasure. And then we have Malibu. And we're going to do... Let's try one that's kind of in between both of those. Let's try this color called Compass. Right here. We're just going to slide that on up under it. Oh, yeah. These are really nice. So just by swatching these, I can already tell I'm going to get a much better look out of this palette than I did with the other one. But overall, the colors are very pretty, very nice. Again, that is the limited edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette 3 from Tarte, and it retails for $36. Alright, let's wipe my hands off and keep this moving. Okay, so the next thing I have in here is from Tatcha, and you guys, I am in love with face masks. I love wearing them. So we have a 2-pack of their Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask. Retails for $24, so I'm assuming these are like about $12 a piece, maybe. And it's a Nourished Skin from Within. I can't read right now. Nourished Skin from Within with this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, fatty acids, and botanical oils and extracts. So that's really nice. Not much to it. They're face masks. I love face masks. So yeah, can't wait to go ahead and give these a try. I have used maybe one other product from Tatcha before, and I really liked it. So I'm assuming that I'm going to enjoy this one too. So now the last thing... I just totally dropped a bunch of stuff down there. Alright, so the next thing I have in here is Billion Dollar Brows, a universal brow pencil. What is wrong with me today? Universal brow pencil. It retails for $18, especially and carefully formulated to work perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. This self-sharpening pencil glides onto your brows without tugging or pulling your skin. The spoolie at the end makes for easy blending, and smooth and creamy formula makes for easy application. Now, I haven't looked at this yet, but it always scares me when they say universal brow, because the last time I got a universal brow, it ended up being like kind of ashy looking on me. So we're going to hope that this one looks a little bit better. And this one is a little bit darker. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like this. It's like a brown type of color. Let's see if we can put this somewhere where you guys can see it. So it's definitely creamy. It's going on very well. I can already tell that this is going to make, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's this little line above, and I'm sure with these light that you guys can't see it, but whatever. It looks like it would do a good job on my brows, but I can definitely tell that it's going to be much lighter on my brows than when I'm normally using. Like, I normally go very dark brown or black. I like a very bold looking brow when I do them. Right now I'm not wearing any makeup other than the liquid lipstick that I just tried on. So I can already tell that this is going to be a little more natural looking on my brows. That's not a problem. Stop. Rewind. It's not a problem. And I'm actually going to go ahead and give this a try. Maybe later? I don't know. We'll have to see. So you guys, that is everything that is in my Boxycharm for January 2019. First box of the year. Is it the best box that I have had? No. Definitely could do without this universal brow pencil. And this right here, this is like pointless to me. I don't even see why we put stuff like this in there. It's not the best. But overall, I mean, just this palette alone covers the cost of the box. So I'm not mad at it. I'm not going to complain. I definitely enjoy these and these face masks. So for me, the box was okay. And yeah, moving on from there, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, don't forget to like it. Hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell, because if all things work out, I have a bunch of videos that I'm trying to get out to you guys, like a series of videos. I'm trying to do it, trying to get my life together this year and be on time with those videos. So yeah, make sure you guys are clicking the bell so you don't miss out on all the new stuff I have to bring to you guys. Again, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check the description box down below. I have all the product information listed. We have some awesome product codes over here. I see. Yeah, I see at least one. That'll be down there, so you guys can go take advantage of that. Get some products, save a little bit of coin. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.